In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the WhatsApp last seen, not showing problem. If you've opened a chat on WhatsApp and noticed that the last seen status is missing for some or all of your contacts, there are a few common settings that might be causing this. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most important checks and changes you can make to solve the issue on your own device. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go straight to the settings menu. On most devices, you can do this by tapping the three dots in the top right corner of the main screen, then choosing Settings from the drop-down. Once you're in Settings, tap on the Privacy option. This is where WhatsApp controls things like your last seen, profile photo, and status visibility. Inside Privacy, look for the Last Seen and Online section. Tap on that. You'll see several options for who can see your last seen. Everyone, your contacts except specific people, or nobody. If your last seen isn't showing to others, or you're not seeing theirs, it may be because this is set to nobody, or my contacts except, with too many people excluded. To fix this, select either everyone or my contacts, depending on how private you want to be. Just remember, WhatsApp works on a mutual basis. If you don't share your last seen with others, you also won't be able to see theirs. After adjusting that, go back one step and check the Blocked Contact section in the Privacy menu. If someone is in your blocked list, you won't see their last seen, and they won't see yours. Review this list carefully and remove anyone you didn't mean to block by tapping on their name and choosing to unblock. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or disconnected network can sometimes cause last seen and online status to fail to update. Switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi, or briefly enable airplane mode and then turn it off again to refresh your connection. If everything looks correct and the issue persists, close WhatsApp completely and reopen it. On some phones, you may need to force stop the app from your system settings. It's also a good idea to update WhatsApp to the latest version through your App Store, since older versions can have bugs that affect privacy features. Finally, understand that if a contact has chosen to hide their own last seen or has blocked you, there's nothing you can change on your side to make it appear. Your settings only control what you share and what you're allowed to see in return. Follow these steps carefully, and in most cases, the WhatsApp last seen not showing problem should be resolved.